What up, y'all? Hey, so today is the start of a 4-day trip. Turtleneck weather. Turtleneck. Got my vest on. I have on my navy blue pants. And let's see where we going. This is the trip with the Key West overnight. I haven't been to Key West since Christmas of my first year. I got it called off reserve. But this trip, I actually switched it out because, okay, it was a 5-day trip at first. And then I gave the last overnight away, so I was able to switch it out in open time with something else. Now this is a lot of full service flights, but well, no, it's only Key West and the Shreveport is the only full service flights, and that's cool. I'm working with someone who's very senior, like their digits are like 5, and my digits are like 6. So that's fine. So today we're staying in Chattanooga. So the first flight is Atlanta to Shreveport, back to Atlanta, then Atlanta to Chattanooga, and then we're done for the night. So yeah, I'm gonna head to Starbucks, get that new drink I tried again yesterday. Y'all, it was so freaking good. So stay tuned. I had coffee this morning for breakfast. Well, it was for breakfast, but I also had some noodles. And I know that's weird, but I can eat noodles any time of the day. Noodles is a broke, rich people meal for me. I will eat it if I'm broke. I will eat it if I'm rich. It don't matter. I'm going to eat noodles with some butter and a hot sauce. So stay tuned. Let's head to Starbucks. Okay, y'all. So I got the drink. It ain't really giving what it should give today. I don't know. Maybe he didn't put his heart into it. I got a bacon Gouda sandwich. I clearly told him no bacon, but just take the bacon off. That's all. All right, you guys. A lot of people have called me today, so I need to catch up on calls. So yeah, heading to the crew parking lot. Let me return a phone call from somebody, and let's get to work. When I get to the crew parking lot, I'm gonna see how many people I see with their little Picos, because that's gonna determine if I need my Pico or not. Because baby, it's chilly. This whole trip is chilly. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I made it to the crew parking lot, and I'm just not seeing peacocks. So I'm gonna leave the peacock in the car, and it doesn't really feel that warm. I got on pants, so that's good. Let me get my stuff out of the car, y'all. I just seen the shuttle, so it's time to swoop around. Bye. All right, you guys, I got random. Another day, another random. It is what it is. Let's head to Terminal D. Y'all, it is like so crowded today. I was just running over people's feet, y'all. It is a mess today. Like, it is so crowded, and it is Sunday. Like, it is so crazy. It is packed. It is hot. This is wild. Alright, I'm just gonna chill at this gate because my gate is like kind of packed. So I'm gonna just chill down here. It's not even my report time yet. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, y'all. We went to Shreveport and back, and I got me some either Chinese. It's called Asian, some Asian place, but it looked like Chinese chicken to me. So whatever. But now we finna head to Chattanooga. I've been in the back all day. It's a no service flight. So yeah. Stay tuned, y'all. My feet hurt so bad. I had to walk all the way from one side of D to the other. Whew. Okay, y'all. Stay tuned. Gonna eat. Okay, you guys. Made it to my hotel in Chattanooga. Great flight. Let's see how the view looks tonight. Wait. What am I doing? Okay, there we go. Nice little view. I swear, stuff like this, I'd be wanting to sleep with the window shades open because it's so nice. Okay, you guys, my feet hurt. I'm about to shower and go to bed. I'm tired. Going to breakfast in the morning. So yeah, tomorrow's Key West. Okay, I gotta tell y'all, we had a bird strike. I had once we deplaned and everything for the, I'm looking for some on my iPad. Once we had deplaned, I had left, went and got food and everything. And I came back, and you can tell there's maintenance when there's like a certain color book sitting up there. And I was like, yo, what happened? They was like, we had a bird strike. I was like, oh my God. Because I've never had a bird strike before. And yeah. And the flight attendant said something about somebody had to come and collect DNA from the bird. I don't know what she was talking about. But anyway, I had my first bird strike today. I bet y'all like, why are you so excited? It's not that, it's just when new things happen, you're just like. So yeah, that may be one of my pictures. Like one of my pictures in my my thumbnail. Bye y'all. Good morning, you guys. Today's day 2. Breakfast is from 6 to 10. It is currently like 9:54. Oh, I just lost my phone, bro. Just had it. Oh, it's over there. Okay, so I'm gonna go to breakfast, see what they got. Yes, 8:50. It was 8:54 actually. Okay, see what they got. Schedules come out today. Let's see how it looks. I'm hoping I get what I want, so we'll see later today. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready. I got my schedule. I got Thanksgiving off. I actually got like 2 weeks off, y'all, so that's exciting. Yeah, I'm excited. I don't have the day after Thanksgiving off, which sucks. So I'm gonna see what I can like trade around with that, because I need time to get back home from my grandma's house. Like, you know, after you eat, you don't want to like leave it at that same time. Like, I ain't trying to do that. So I'm gonna see what I can trade around, play around with. What else? Yeah, my schedule looks good. I didn't get any layovers that I wanted. Everything is up north. Gonna try and trade that out too, because we ain't doing that. Keep me from up north. It's cold. What else? But other than that, that's pretty much it. My schedule looks decent. Can't complain. I never share my schedule because people crazy. Never put it here. Folks crazy. Never. Now, I may do like a schedule vlog about something that was like 2 or 3 months ago. But letting y'all know my current schedule, baby. Y'all, I twisted my hair last night in some type of bun, and it kind of fell loose. But this looks kind of cute, but I don't really know how well it looks in the back. I'm gonna take it loose. Anyways, I thought it was something cute. But yeah, I got about 30 minutes, probably about 25 minutes to get downstairs. So let me finish getting ready and let me get my life together. Oh, we're going to Key West, y'all. Okay, you guys, made it to my hotel in Chattanooga. Great flight. Let's see how the view looks tonight. Wait, what am I doing? Okay, there we go. Nice little view. I swear, stuff like this, I be wanting to sleep with the window shades open because it's so nice. Okay, you guys, my feet hurt. I'm about to shower and go to bed. I'm tired. Going to breakfast in the morning. So yeah, tomorrow's Key West. Okay, you guys, made it to Key West. It is currently 8:11. The restaurant downstairs closes at 9. So I'm just gonna go ahead and because I want that Alfredo so bad. I remember I was here and it was so good. So I'm gonna get some Alfredo. Yeah. So stay tuned. Yeah. Let me get undressed by y'all. rise and shine, you guys. We're about to leave Key West shortly. We just got on, so stay tuned. I'm working the back, full service. But the Augusta flight is after this, and I'm not doing service because I don't have it. And then we have Augusta tomorrow morning, and I'm done. But they're going to White Plains, but I gave it up. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh my God, it's hot. Is my bag fitting? Yeah, okay. Stay tuned. Let me go organize my cart. Okay, guys, we made it to Augusta, Georgia. Let's check the view. Y'all, it is so beautiful. Look at this. It is so beautiful. Beautiful little spot. So I'm finna grab pizza. Y'all, what are they? It's that time of the month, and y'all, everything is aggravating me. everything, everybody. I'm just aggravated today. Our report time, no, our van time in the morning is at 4:05. Y'all, that means I have to get up at 3:05. I might as well go to bed now. It's 1:00 p.m. Okay, so I'm finna go to this pizza spot across the street that I was at last time. Y'all know I love pizza. And I'm finna go to bed. I'm not even gonna take a nap because I'm gonna try not to take a nap. So yeah, stay tuned. Good morning, y'all. It is 3:28. Our van is at 4:05. I'm tired. I came in and took a nap after I ate yesterday, and I woke up because I was trading my trip. Something with somebody. I was trading something around, and this girl, she called me on Facebook, was like, "Hey, can you approve it again? Well, accept it again." I was like, sure. So that woke me up, but I was knocked out. So I finally fell asleep last night about probably 1:30. Well, this morning, probably about 1:30. I just kept tossing and turning. My phone kept vibrating. I was mute random group messages. It was a lot. So I'm only doing the Augusta, going back to Augusta. Going back to Atlanta from Augusta, and that flight is like 35 minutes probably. It's not even 40 minutes. And I'm going straight to bed when I get home. Tired. So I'm gonna go downstairs. They said they have breakfast for us because I need a cup of coffee. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, it is 5:06. We're just chilling. We supposed to have started boarding a while ago, but found out there was a bird strike. It hit the the wing, and whoever is supposed to check last night, I guess they didn't see the check, so we're delayed and we don't know for how long. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, we're delayed 2 hours and 35 minutes. It could be longer. It's gonna take the maintenance person 45 minutes to get here, and then they said the job could be an hour and a half. So I'm gonna watch YouTube. Just sit here. It's freezing. I got a bottle of hot water. Just holding it. It's so cold. Okay, y'all, it is 6:47 and we're about to board up. Yes, I can go home, shower, and take a nice little nap, and then order my groceries so that I can make some chili for the first time. We'll see. I'm gonna just throw it in a hot pocket and go by what I like. you guys, that is the end of the vlog. 2 bird strikes. One over 1 even hours. Somebody didn't do their job the night before and check. What else? It's 51 degrees outside. It's not cold enough to blow the air yet. Yeah, it was honestly a pretty decent trip. I am done working until recurrent in November. Have to certify to be a flight attendant again. So, yeah, I have to certify yearly. So I'll be going to Minneapolis for that. And I have another training. I've accepted a position. So I will be, I'm still a flight attendant, but it's like something else. Yeah, anyways. I just accepted something. But with the company. So I will be going to that training. It's a 4-day training. So I will have that in about 4 more days. But yeah, I don't go back to I'm not flying in the friendly skies for work until November. Like, I'm off for almost 2 weeks. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, you guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe.